As we all know, 5th of November, later on, or throughout the 5th of November, or in the evening hours of the 15th of the 5th of November 2020 of every year, it is Bonfire Night or Guy Fawkes Night. We celebrate this tradition every single year up and down the comprised entirety of the United Kingdom, which is what happens every year. It's quite a celebrated event, the Bonfire Night or Guy Fawkes Night as it's known. Well, it's the same thing. Technically it's the same thing, really. But I think it's really in remembrance of the late Guy Fawkes himself. You know. Normally it's a day where there's fireworks display, which certainly in a way makes it all the more greatly interesting. And in a way quite celebrated too. Guy Fawkes Night or Bonfire Night, an event that is quite celebrated on an annual basis. Thank you for watching, and if you do see the fireworks in the later evening hours of the 5th of November of 2023, being this calendar year, I hope it goes well for you all.